As a concerned citizen of the state, Agent Star Kurkalang had recently filed an RTI on certain issues concerning the people of the state, especially those residing in rural areas. Speaking to reporters on Tuesday, Agent Star Kurkalang informed that he had been receiving complaints, especially from the farming community, wherein traders have been charging them a lump sum amount of money for a sack of rice without measuring the actual quantity contained in the packaging. This, Kurkalang alleged, is an act of violation by the state government's supply department of the rights of consumers and every other citizen of the state. He therefore requested the state government to thoroughly examine the matter and to bring to book those involved in such corrupt activities.
Siêu bisa kata, hari ke basungsi hadin juga tu pada, hadu mentah. Balai ke sarkar kampek, syai ke Department juga Food and Civil Supply juga Government of Meghalaya. Kari, bat kampek ye kani ke mentah. Ke bau pai dak sutho syu kano si kilo, bat hatu upai dak udon hok ne em, basyo pun siu pisa untip lau de umar bagi thiet, khamtam yau khau ke marbam, ke bakta yau do busuk. Kano ngahaban siu, bat udon kano kilo hatu kala biang ne em ke ching thau kat kum ki pisa bang siu namar kum ko mata la shudi lam sambai hakador shi paket kabamot shiberni san thau kilo kat baka ya ching thau klam tre shu ban thau te ya kane ngala ba hagi thai no kanong kham tam ki jaga ba shom ki nong ram anda poi hayeng teng ki pasyang ban thau don satang sa pura kilo don satang sa khana kilo shi kilo ar kilo uduna bor cholap yo to batam kilo kum bolong hagi permeswa por badang thau bami hado sanpuai sanpu arya bah sanpu kilo badan sanpu badan sanpu bat kumtar ada kene ke ek hok bakta ya ke jingim ke jong uduk usuk ko public kan kamtam hukum kene ke por bilatip ke jingling shop jong kene ka pandemic ka COVID-19 ka bangong ki asnem kala kata hado kata ya ka kamai ke kecil ka yo ka kot jong bata bat nalar kata ka sarkar ha ka cika ban check bai kum gini henry menta ka ailat ye ki majan hayo ba kinde kat baman bat banum trai syo wat ban thoru ka jingli mata kolong si ai ka bisa ka baca na ketu ka berni le ka paket ka baca kilo bat balai hiru ka sarkar ka sangap cari kan ka menta na kata kadau mengalabok mentan hang ni rengkat bagan ke jing tho sya uci minister ka jongi bat kumcu ngalai kopi sya minister juga Food and Civil Supply baca kalau department ba kinpe ba unpek khenang ba ka sarkar mar ka de banthung ya ka inquiry committee ka bolong independent mano ba khang ni banta bat ki obor nang no mano ba authorize ye ki dila lene ki nong khai bande ya umar klem chingtho ka bolong be an pet kot kum kene ka ak ka biong ka Consumer Protection Act arjar khat khandai lene ki ak ki ba shaden jong ka taru shwa ka men bon arjar khat khandai la thau la ka do shai ba kinong thet kinong pet ya barok ki jadmar ya barok ki jadjingba dei banda tip ya ka quality ka chung ya ka jilong ka chung kita kimar ba ya ka jinghya ba ya ka dor ka dei ka bala approve da ka sarkar om dei ban charge da ki nong khai kat bamon kata ka dei ka ba kata hado kata ge hok chung usuk na kata manda kasni ngalabo ke ge jingtho akama jimsar ban ngi german ba ka sarkar lada ka don sya ka thong ban ai ke chikri namata ka hok chung pai ba mar ka de ben simi ka jing ya ka kam ban pen saja ya kidu kan lene ya ki department ke ba khem trekam ban ai ke jida namta ka chung pai ba lene yo dan Asia ladat ke de bantung ya ketika komiti banbu daka inquiry committee ke blong independent khanang ba ka jing trekam ibat ka hok chung pai ba kani daka bukho khem don nong penwit.
While referring to discrepancies in the Department of Printing and Stationery Government of Meghalaya, Agent Star Kurkalang informed that as per RTI report to the query filed by him earlier, the concerned department had misappropriated a huge amount of public money amounting to a total of rupees 2 crores 9 lakhs and 47,000 accrued in printing works of the National Health Mission and the Directorate of Health Services Government of Meghalaya and other state government departments, of which such works have been outsourced without floating any tender or approved rate or any formality code or rate quotation to unqualified firms, traders and individuals. Kurkalang once again urged upon the state government to investigate into the matter so as to prevent future occurrences of such activities in all state government departments.
Kadon kecing sutu ba kadon kecing penot kam bakla na kaliang jong kawai na katarat sarkar kabi yung government printing press and stationery. De habare bat kini kerkom ai ban kerkom print ye kini ki official documents jong sarkar. Namar bangi siam ba hapo ga department jong printing press and stationery. Chan baro ki kot kisla ki bade jong sarkar hi ki pha print nang tai na do ka chalan bat ki we de ki bade jong sarkar. De hang ni ngila pada ya kecing penut kambakla daki bor jong ka take office ha kisnem ka bali no de ngila wat benya bat ngila siam ne bak RTI ngila siam rupa wat ban print ya ki kot lene ki documents ki babun rukom kat kum ba order na ki department ki prepare ngi siam ba na kaliang jong take office ka chu I subcontract sasha way pada tingi siam rupa kacing I subcontract ka jongi but kabagi outsource kabagi om ki outsource watcha kini ki firm lani ki dukan ki bompat dan wat ye license but kabagi om kini ki unrecognized firm but ha ka cukup por ki bompat jumlen hiru ya ka de ka de na tada ha bangi wat ya ka kam hak bari bakani ngalawat bahaning bak RTI ngilesiam biya kecing dia bakacing penot kamakla kadan hado artli habari bak pisah bat hani ala solang hani bak RTI report barohan kawai gede kecing penot kam jogane hi ke department kabalokot hado kumba prapo nyolak tam bat kaca kalong kecing thet ye gitar bat hado kaban print ye gani ki kot kisla ki penot kam jog office kabaki yo order di department